In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the 30-day free trial of Go Highlevel and start earning money online as soon as possible. Before getting into the video, my name is Gautam. I help local businesses with web design and social media marketing, and now I'm helping you guys to do the same thing to earn money online. If you guys don't know about what Go Highlevel is, I've already made a video last week which I'm going to pin it on the corner. You can have a look at it and then come back to this video. And I also have some exciting news, which is I'm working on some cool stuff, sorting up all the assets, codes, snapshots, tools which I've used to get leads and providing services along with client portal with onboarding and contracts. I'm working on this for you guys so that you don't have to waste a lot of time and money on researching all this stuff which is going to work, so that you can just copy my techniques and scripts, the codes, which is already helping me and which is going to help you as well. And it's coming soon. Let's get back to the video by jumping into my laptop. There are two different ways to sign up for Go Highlevel. You can go straight into Go Highlevel's website and get their software. You're going to get around 14-day free trial. But if you come into my YouTube channel or link in the description, you can get a 30-day free trial for Go Highlevel. To be frank, I will be getting some kind of incentive if you signed up with this link, and I'm thinking about making a private group and making snapshots and all kinds of useful assets so that I can give it to you for free if you signed up for Go Highlevel with my link. So if you didn't sign up for the link, I can't really give all the assets for free. There should be some kinds of incentive. So yeah, just click on the link. Here you are. As you can see, you are getting 30-day free trial. Click on the 30-day free trial. Put in all the names. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna put in all kind of random stuff because I already have my own Go Highlevel, just for explaining for you guys. Click to step 2. After putting all the details, click the step 2 and you will be taken to the payment link. As you can see, there are two different options, Go Highlevel Starter Plan and Go Highlevel Ultimate Plan. If you know what you're doing, you can probably go for the Ultimate Plan, but my suggestion will be start with the Starter Plan, which is $97 a month, and once you start getting clients, and then you can jump into $297 so that you won't be losing a lot of money in the beginning. And after getting clients, you can get the clients' money to put it in the subscription fee so that you are not putting any money from out of your own pockets. So for this case, I'm choosing Go Highlevel Starter Plan. A small information before paying for Go Highlevel. You have to sign up for Go Highlevel with my link in a Google Chrome without any ad blockers, or please don't sign up inside like Brave browser and Chrome with ad blocker. It won't show up in my affiliate link, so that if I'm actually putting out some free stuffs and private group, you can't access it. I can't know that you have used my link, so make sure of it. And if you're choosing a card detail, please have at least £1 or $1 in your account so that Go Highlevel can access your card and you can get the software. Don't make the same mistake I did. I was thinking about using one of my card details which has nothing on it. I didn't have any money. Go Highlevel needs to get like £1 or something just to make sure that you have money for the subscription for in coming days. So please don't do that. Make sure to have at least $1 in your account while signing up. Next up, click start your 30-day free trial. It shows account has been created. Click here to get started. Now we are in, and there's a lot of steps involved in the beginning, so I'm gonna go through everything and show you how to do it properly. So first step is setting up your password. Next up, you'll be getting a verification code in your email, and this will be your verification code. Copy this and paste it, and you'll get the notification in your phone number as well. Up next, enter your address Continue. How do you plan to use Go Highlevel? So it has multiple options as a SaaS, as a marketing agency, as a business owner, and others. You can choose whatever you want, and you can change after going through all the things and setting up your account. So it's not a big deal. Choose whatever you want. What industry are you in? So this is a cool thing. So if you're targeting a niche and providing service for that particular niche, you can choose that particular niche and set up all the snapshots. So it comes with the snapshot. It's not just the account, it has all the snapshots for particular accounts. So if this is your agency account, just choose marketing agency, just continue. And if you're setting up your sub account, for example, you're selling the service for a beauty industry like salon or beauty spa, if you input the beauty spa snapshot, it comes with everything you need to sell the service for the client. You don't have to build everything from the beginning, it has everything. So it's a good thing. Next up, how many clients are you managing? Just at the moment, just choose one to three. It doesn't matter. Lastly, what platforms are you using? It's just getting some information out of you. Just choose anything you're using at the moment, or if you're not using, just click something and set up my account. Start onboarding call now. Another important thing about Go Highlevel is you can go into onboarding call. They will set up everything for you. You don't have to waste a lot of time going through the software and trying to learn everything by yourself. This is a game changer, and it's not just now. You'll be having access to this onboarding call any day at any time, 24/7. Even if you're running to an error or something, or having trouble with a small task, you're not getting to know because you're new to the software. They will solve all the problems you're having right now, and they will set up everything from start to end, and they will also give you advice on how to use this properly and sell service. So it's a game changer. You can't find anything like this in another software. And another question I get most frequently is, why are you choosing Go Highlevel to sell websites? It's a SaaS software. Why are you selling websites? Let me ask you a question. If you're selling a website to a local client, that's it. You won't get paid from the client. It's a done deal. But with Go Highlevel, you're selling the website. You can get the hosting fees monthly to your account instead of going to the software's account. And another thing, you can upsell a lot of service which is inside Go Highlevel, like reputation management, Google reviews. Like, this is just an example, and you can get like £100 a month in subscription. Let's say you're selling 10 websites, and you get to have 3 upselling client with subscription based. You're getting £300 a month without doing anything. So that's why I chose this. You have to think about the long game, not just selling the website, getting the money, and thinking about another client. So it's a headache. This is why I chose Go Highlevel, and this is why I'm asking you to do the same. I hope this video was useful for you guys. I'll keep on making tips and tricks on how to make money online with Go Highlevel, which I personally used to make my first couple of thousands online. And if you don't want to miss it, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.